There are several guidelines for making affirmations. It should be in plain language and in brief. You should have it in your own handwriting. It should encompass every aspect of life. Every stanza should be repeated 3 times with a loud voice and at the same time with excitement. The exercise should be ideally be performed 3 times a day, early in the morning when you wake up, during the lunch break, and at night just before you sleep. This procedure should be conducted with the deep feelings and emotion. With high degree of commitment, one has to do this ideally forever. The best approach is to memorize the text so you can quickly express positive feelings into your speech. Don't ever let you think it doesn't work. It does, but you can't be sure. Offer time and patience to make a seed a big tree. To get quick response, trust your affirmations. Have confidence that it has started to work and will eventually change my life. While making affirmations, build a mental image in your head. It gives fast response. To understand the power of these affirmations, read and listen these affirmations continuously for 21 days. Now let's begin. I am a powerful divine being. The forces of God help me. I have a powerful will. I have high degree of trust. I believe in my own selves. I am accustomed to execute every role I have begun. I am a hard laborer. I just don't have time to waste. I focus 100% on the job I am doing. I hate procrastination and I love perseverance. I am sure I will excel and I am worth it. I am fine for my fitness. I have a healthy immune system that gets me healed really soon. I do quite a lot of physical labor every day. I eat healthy food. I sense the youthful spirit inside me. I am always active and my vitality is well balanced. I have got good business plans. I work with a lot of commitment over the plans. These plans produce considerable income. I have several revenue sources. I save 20% of my potential profits. All my operations are steadily increasing. I have no hope of anything from others. I embrace every single one as they are. Whatever happens in the external world, it doesn't have the ability to disrupt my inner life. Whatever the situation, I am still calm from inside. I know happiness is an emotional state. I am still glad. I am pleased what God gave me. Depression and anger do not have the ability to enter me. I collaborate with friends and relatives. Bliss comes from my mind and heart. I have good reason to be happy. I deserve gladness. I am the fountain of love. I thank them all truly. I love my life's positive stuff. I admire elegance and charm. I support others in their time of need. I have a love for nature. I express sympathy and apathy for those in distress. Both people love me and I love all of them. I live in this present moment so I can concentrate 100% on any job. It's gone past and it doesn't have any control over me. My future is gleaming and I don't mind my future. My actions motivate me to take further action. I am unique in this universe by consistently following a set structure or mechanism with continuous development in it. I sincerely believe I am progressing slowly towards my infinite target because of my discipline. My target is so large it's beyond imagination, but there are some milestones in it. I am a firm supporter of process and not a fixed destination. I love each other. I am an intelligent and good-looking guy. I am looking appealing. I take bath and clean myself properly every day. I brush my teeth correctly. To render my hands beautiful, I cut my nails. I regularly shave. Every fortnight I cut and color my hair. I wear clothes clean and ironed. I use facial wash, powder, cream and perfume. Every day I eat one fruit and I love fresh vegetables. I am doing exercise to keep myself safe. I meditate to keep my mind relaxed each day. I relinquished all of my bad habits, but some of my patterns still exist, which I don't like. I trust I am going to remove those patterns really soon. I am my own professional information tutor. To improve my knowledge, I am getting references from various sources. I hold the files for information storage. I value not on the records that are stored in other formats, but in written documents. My lifelong learning practice renders me special in this country. I am a fast learner because to learn a subject I follow Pomodoro technique. I concentrate 100% on learning any subject. I am used to gathering information from real life experiences.